Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the whiteboard feature within your screen share. Here I am in a Teams meeting. I'm going to mouse around this area until the menu bar pops up. I will then choose to screen share. When I click on screen share, it's going to give me all of these options here. I usually prefer to share my desktop, but in this case we want to use the whiteboard feature. So I'll choose this option called Microsoft Whiteboard. When you click on Microsoft Whiteboard, it will be sharing your screen with everyone else of this whiteboard. So here was just an example of someone writing. I can erase. I can choose these different color pens, and anything that you are demonstrating will be shown because you're screen sharing at this time. When you would like to stop screen sharing, you could press Stop Presenting, and it will bring you back to the call. One really important thing to note is that this whiteboard feature is only available through the Teams app, so make sure that you have downloaded the app and you have joined the call using the app when you're prompted to do so. There have been issues with this functionality on other devices, so just be aware that if you're using an iPad or a mobile device that this feature may not be available. So please consider switching to a laptop and use the Teams app for this feature.